Hi guys, this is Aubrey and welcome back to my channel. Today we are here in Crystal Cave, located in Wisconsin, Pierce County, near the town of Spring Valley on Highway 29. The cave was discovered in 1881 by William Banizzi, a local youth who discovered the entrance to the cave when he was exploring a leaf-filled sink in a farm field near in his home. So, what are you waiting for? Come and join me and I show you around and enjoy my video guys. Thank you for watching. This is the entrance going inside the crystal cave, and this is my first time to experience going inside a cave here in America. So I'm so excited, and I'm so excited also to show you what's inside. And here's the door. Let me open it. And this is the souvenir shop, and that's my husband waiting at me. Because actually we already paid the ticket going inside. So here's the items they sold there. All crystals. They have some stone. Look at it. Fragile. Thank you so much guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos. Thank you.